Me again, Mark, and I would like to tour you with this beautiful house, three-story house here in Newtown Estate, Pardo. This is located here in Pardo, Cebu City. And unlike to your typical houses, this one is like, it's different because coming from the driveway or the garage, the house welcomes you to its kitchen. However, I will try to show you this one because maybe you will like it, because personally I really like the design of the house. On the facade, for me, I think the facade looks very small. However, when you go down on inside this house, you will see that the house is really spacious because this is about 290 square meters, the floor area, and the lot area of this house is about 170 square meters. So I will tour you now, right now. And we are now on the ground level of the house, because there is the upper level, which is the third story, and the lower one, which is the ground floor. And as I said, this is not your typical house design, because I will show you here. That's your driveway, that's your garage, and coming from the garage, you have that access road going to, actually that's kitchen. And mostly some houses, coming from your garage, it will take you, it's either on your side going to your kitchen, but mostly the front will be your living area. But this one is different, and I will show you first. We will go first on the garage, and I will show you first the facade of this house. Let's go. Yeah, that's the kitchen, and this is the side connecting to the entrance of the house. But yeah, I will just take this first, and I will show you the facade of the house. As I said, for me, like, the facade it looks so small, but you go out, you go down, and the house is really big because it's about 100 to 170 square meters. And that's the facade of the house, and the property perimeter coming from that side going to this side. And this is the neighborhoods, and this is located here in Newtown Estate, Pardo. And that's the driveway outside, and this is the garage. The garage can house the two SUVs, and this is the side of the house, the other side. And as I said, it's different design because coming from this garage, it will takes you going to your kitchen, and this is the side of the house. Coming from this side, it will leads you going to your living area, and that's where we came from. And I will go here on this side. I will show you first how big how spacious the car garage is, and that's your entrance. And you can park up to 2 SUVs on this car garage. And I really like the structural, the stones here that is being used, the tile stones. It's like at stones. And let's go inside here. This is your entrance, and I really like this house because look at that. So coming from this garage direct to your kitchen, and it's really spacious kitchen. Like, you have lots of cabinets and overhead cabinets. And in this kitchen, I really like the vibe of the house, because right now it's almost 12, but I can feel that's the ambience of the house is really cool, and it's not like humid, because I will show you later on. The house does have a view of the ocean and unobstructed, because the back of the house doesn't have any structure except the water tank of the subdivision. And this one is the kitchen. It's really large kitchen actually, and maybe you can put a table here for your maybe you can utilize this area here, because this one is good for your gas range, and you have this range hood already. And maybe here you can put your to-do refrigerator, because it's really huge space area. And this one, maybe you can put something here, and you have here the cabinets, and it's here. You can use this one for your storage, for your grocery, and you can make this into your pantry maybe. And you have that ceiling fan. And yeah, again, this is the entrance of your house, but it leads going to the kitchen. And let's go. Lot area of this house is 170 square meters. The floor area, again, it's really huge, 290 square meters. And this house is for sale. for only 17.5 million pesos. And for the documentary stamp tax, everything, you have to add about only 350,000 for the documentary stamp tax of this property. And if you don't have that money about with you for your disposal, we are open for bank loan. We can recommend you the BPI, so we will just do the appraisal lang, so that we will see on how we can settle your bank loan to finance this property. And coming from this kitchen, let's go to your living area. And I really like the door because of this little glass here. And here is another design that I really like. The builder of this house really put some effort here, because they have this some slabs here, and then it makes like a division going down and also going to the other side. And here will be your like your dining area and your living area. And I really like, again, this one, you have the view of the ocean right there. Actually, we can see from here. And this one here, we have open and close gate here going down, but that will be the last of part of our video. We will go there later on. And this one here, we started our video via this area, and there are bamboos here. Maybe you can put another plants to make this area here more tidy. And that's going out. And let's go. And this will be your area for the living area and your dining here. And it's I really like the ceiling because it's really high. And yeah, I like the ambience. I like the woods, the wooden accents there, and the glass. So this will be the last part of the video that we're going on. Yeah, we will close that first. And here will be your, as you can see, that will be the entrance. If you are coming from your gate, then you can direct to your kitchen. That will be the area there. And this will be area here. It's a bedroom. Maybe you can make it into your guest room, or maybe you can use it for your elderly member of your family, because this is just only on the ground floor level. And you have that glass, not only glass, the builder, they put it additional details there, like those slabs of woods. Those are quality woods. Even the stairs, those are quality woods. And I really like the ceiling because it's already dropped, and you have that beautiful lightings there. And yeah, this is the area again for the living and the kitchen, living and the dining. And I will show you the view of your house. Yeah, the Newtown Estate does have this really huge water tank. So maybe someday or one day you will experience like the typhoon happened before, and some of the subdivision doesn't have this huge water tank. That will be a supply for the subdivision. So in case typhoon or whatsoever happens, so you have this really huge supply of water, and it's beside your house, and you don't have to worry for the water. And again, you have this advantage because that lot there doesn't belong to anyone. I think it's belong to the management, subdivision management, and so you have that unobstructed view, especially if you are going to the third level of the house. And that's the plunge pool. Later on we will go there and we will check on the plunge pool, but right now I will bring you to this guest room. And this house does have the balcony, and we will go on later. And here is your guest room. And if you don't want to make this your guest room, maybe you can make this into your home office, or I don't know if what you will do with this one, because you have this toilet and bathroom there. So maybe this will be guest room or room for your elderlies if you have one. And that's your parking garage, that's your kitchen. And here it's another, like this one here. Aside from this will be your powder room. So this is, if you have visitors coming over into your house, they can use this one. They don't have to go to bedrooms or other area. Then they can use this powder room. And we are still on the ground level of this house, and I will bring you now to the third level of the house. Actually, maybe that can be yeah, that will be the third level where the master's bedroom and the other bedrooms are located, and I will bring you there right now. But I want to emphasize this one because I really like this one. This solid wood here. You have that glass wall, sliding wall there, and you have that quality woods, premium woods, and you have this like the slabs here. I really like this one. I only see this one first here in this house. Like if you go to a penthouse, condo penthouse, sometimes they use this kind of design to maximize the space, but this one is not a penthouse, it's a house and lot, and I really like how the masterfully planned this design. And you have this solid wood here going up. We will go, and I really like the quality of this stairs here. It's really solid and it feels solid. Yeah, and here is the third level of the house, and you have here three bedrooms and one common toilet and bathroom. And I will bring you first to this very spacious toilet and bathroom here. This is a common toilet and bathroom. Look at that. It looks like a bedroom in a one-bedroom condo because it's really huge, and you have this racks here that you can put some of your things, toiletries, and you have that also hanging over here for your towels and shower. And I really like also this one for your water drain. And yeah, this is the common toilet and bathroom of this floor level, and this is the first regular bedroom, and this one has its own balcony, and you have this split type aircon. I think all of the bedrooms here comes with a split type aircon. And yes, I will bring you to the balcony. And you have this really nice balcony here that maybe you can put another tables and chairs here so you can enjoy watching your neighborhoods. Those are the neighborhoods of this subdivision, and that's your car garage, and that's the road. And yeah, we will not take video of the other neighborhoods. And I will bring you now to the second regular bedroom, and this bedroom comes with that closet. And I will bring you here. This one, it's another bedroom here, regular bedroom, and another aircon. This bedroom doesn't have balcony, but it's mirrorized to the other bedroom. The only difference is that it has balcony. And this one is your main bedroom of the house. The main bedroom comes with own toilet and bathroom there, and this is the view that I tell you. You have this unobstructed view of the ocean, and I really like the air. It's really cold. It's almost 12 noon. So from this bedroom, you have the view of SMC side, the tower of the SMC side, and the No Star, the Philly Hotel, and you have the view of Cordova and CCLX. And here you can see also going to the south side and the mountain side, the ocean there you can see, and you have the view of your plunge pool below. And yes, this is your master's bedroom, and quality windows, quality doors, and yeah. And we will now try to see the master's toilet and bathroom, and it's really huge, and you have this closet here. Maybe you can turn this one. Yeah, you have the closet, and you have this shower area, and again you have this another water drainage here. That one I really like. And yeah, let's go now to the lower ground level of the house. Again, this house is 170 square meters, the lot area 170 square meters, and the floor area of this house is 290 square meters. This is a 4-bedroom house plus maid's room, which is on the lower ground floor, and you have one balcony, and you have large kitchen, and you have 2 car garage on this property. And this is for sale for 17.5 million pesos plus the charges fee for the documentary stamp tax. So let's go now to the lower ground floor of this property. And it likes it giving you privacy because coming from that kitchen, you have the door going to the lower ground floor, and it's also divided because of this wooden slabs and the glass, and that's going to the guest room. And let's go now to your lower ground floor. Okay, it's the same here. You have this solid wood here. You have that solid stairs, and this will lead us going to the lower ground floor. And on this lower ground floor, maybe you can use this area here if you have like small party or small family gathering. Maybe you can put a table here, and then you can enjoy this plunge pool. This is just only a plunge pool, because maybe you will looking for a big swimming pool. So this is just only a plunge pool, and here is the area for your shower area. You have shower area here. Yeah, this is your shower area, and that will be going to the up and garage. This is your plunge pool, and that's the upper house, the house. And here is the maid's room. And here maybe you can put your washing machine here, because this is provision for washing machine and your dryer. And this is your maid's room or your helper's room. They have their own toilet and bathroom here. Toilet and bathroom of the maid's room. And here you have a small space here for the, what is this, like you want to change clothes, maybe you can use this one. Yes, that's, you want to change clothes before going to the pool. And that's it. You have a shower here for before and after plunging in the plunge pool. So this is it. This is the property, and this is located here in Newtown Estate, Pardo, Cebu City. And after this video, I will try to drive coming from this house, going around. I will tour you around on the subdivision so that you will have an idea on your neighborhoods and going to the highway, because this is just only walking distance going to the highway of Cebu City. I will go back. For the last time, I will show you around the house. We are now on the lower ground floor, and we will go back. That's going to the up, but we will now use this one. We will close. Going up. I will try to go to show you this one. And that's going down and going there. We will go out via the kitchen. And that's it. That's the view of this house. So buy this one because you will not regret buying this one. You are buying a good quality house, well built, well designed house here in Newtown Estate, Pardo. Again, this is 17.5 million pesos plus the documentary stamp fee, and that's it. So this has been me again, Mark. Thank you so much for watching this video, and bye bye. I will tour you around in the subdivision. Another subdivision that I'm going to feature and I'm going to show you, and this is the Newtown Estate, Pardo. I want to bring you here so that you have idea of what is the houses and the situation here inside the Newtown Estate Pardo, here in Pardo, Cebu City. And this is the subdivision of the Newtown Estate. And this is located here in Pardo, Cebu City, and it's walking distance going to the highway. And these are the houses that you can see. Wait, that's Oregon Street. Oregon Street there, Oregon Street, and this is Arizona Street. Nagkakaig mga Doves ba na or Maya. This is the houses here in Newtown Estate Pardo. And that's going to Colorado Street. We will try to go there, Colorado Street. That's Colorado Street. This is Colorado Street. And I think this is the dead end. We will turn. And this is the Colorado Street of the Newtown Estate Pardo. Let's go to the other street. This way. The Newtown Estate Pardo. Oregon Street. That's the Montana Street. Montana Street. And that's the going right is going to the main entrance and exit of the subdivision. That road, that's going to the main entrance and exit, but I want to bring you up, going up first before we go out. The Newtown Estate Park. Montana Street, and we are now on Nevada. Later on we will go there after before we go out. Nevada Street. And this is the last street here ang Nevada. Ang diri pikas sa ganyan nga street na kalimutan. Ohio, kani Ohio Street. Ninapay pasaka dito sa taas. We will try sa pasaka. Ohio. Needed end. Last na diha. Idaho. Last ang Idaho. Kani Oklahoma. This is Oklahoma Street and that is Idaho Street. And that's the corner. Let's go back. Di aman ta. Di tagikan. And this is Oklahoma Street. Oklahoma. We will end the video na lang inagawas na to sa highway. May mga roosters saba. And this is the subdivision amenities, clubhouse, and volleyball court, tennis court kana diha. Mga old ang design sa houses dire, ba kay mga solid kay na cement. And this is going to the highway. Ang Oklahoma, that's Oklahoma. Oklahoma Street, may going sa highway. Let's go out na lang kay I have to go in SMC side kay medyo gigutom ko gamay. Yeah, this is the subdivision entrance and exit. And let's go to the highway. This is walking distance to the highway lang man. Swimming pool available to 8 AM to 4 PM. And this has been our view or our tour inside the Newtown Estate here in Pardo. And this subdivision is really near to the National Highway of Cebu City. And that's already the National Highway, the Pardo National Highway. We will try to go somewhere, maybe SMC side. We will go to SMC. And this is it. This is already the highway. This has been me again, Mark. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you are interested on this subdivision, we have one brand new ready for occupancy house inside the subdivision, and you can buy it because I really like the house. It's 170 square meters the lot area, and the floor area of the house is 290 square meters, and it's a 4-bedroom house plus the maid's room, and you have a plunge pool on that house. And it's brand new, a solid built house, solid property. And this is the Church of Pardo Church. So thank you so much again. That's the Church of Pardo, Cebu City. And we will end now our video. Thank you, and hopefully you will like this video, and you will subscribe, share, and leave a comment down below. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Sa kanya pa rin babalik sigaw ang damdamin. Maybe we will end na lang the video sa tunnel. Ideally tunnel, kaya I'm not going sa tunnel. I will go sa APM. Maybe I will try to APM Mall instead of SMC side. Yeah, I will go to APM Mall right now. Mandawi Foam. So this is Cebu City. So it's a really nice property, 17.5 million pesos house within Cebu City, and it's brand new and open for bank financing, or we can process the bank to finance the property if you don't have that 17.5 million pesos on your disposal. So I encourage you to view that property. I hope you will like it. This is the South Bus Terminal. Not the terminal, but the, what do you call this? The main base of the South. The bus, the series bus. That one. That's their main bases. So I think that's their main office and their gasoline station, their own gasoline station. Gasoline now is worth 83.60 pesos per liter. We will end our video sa ano na lang, sa APM. I will try to go to APM Mall right now. Ay, APM. Sorry, not APM. APM Mall is in Cebu City, but unsa gani di nga ano kanang Shopwise Mambaling. I will go to Shopwise Mambaling. Then we will end the video there sa Shopwise. Okay, I'm hungry. I don't know what I can buy there in Shopwise, but I feel like I have the feeling to go sa Shopwise. It's not APM ha. APM Mall is in Cebu City, is in SM City, Cebu in Mabolo. So I will go to Shopwise Mambaling. Pero murag ano lagi. I will end na lang the video kay init ako cellphone. Bye bye. God bless you all. Bye bye. This has been me again, Mark.